to make you vanish. Hello, Jess. Hi, Jonna. Is it Jonna? Laro, hindi ko malaglag ng ketas. May show ako ng brunch bukas. Hindi ako makakalabas, Bren. Kailangan akong mag-prepare. Maaga talaga ang Butterboy. Well, I'll try. Hi, who's Elia with Peachy? Guys, ako ng makeup kit. Because wala pa yung takip nito, magaling talaga. Sana dumating yung mga foundation na in-order ko though. Stupid. Or is it? Slow.
Do you think uso pa rin ngayon yung dapat may courtmanship?
Pag nagliligawan ba, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-do?
Is moving in before marriage okay or not okay?
No.
What's the greatest thing I've said to you before na hanggang ngayon naalala mo pa rin? Is it ever acceptable to go through your partner's phone even if you suspect something is wrong? Trabaho o pera? Will you still choose me? Bakit? Do you feel safe when you're with Bricks?
Will you choose me in another lifetime as a friend?
Ano ba, Sisi?
Siyempre.
Magkikita ba tayo tonight?
Kahit ilang lifetime pa. Will you choose me in another lifetime
Kaya ko lang.
as a friend? Kahit ulit na. Oo.
Every time we pop a balloon, there is a dare. And every time we pop a balloon and you do a dare, it's equivalent to 500 peso.
Sabay natin paputuin ka. Sabayan mo ako muna.
Sige.
Put your hand on your partner's chest for 5 seconds as a friend.
1, 2.
Forehead kiss as a friend. Smell your tropa's hand and tell us how it smells like. Guess my friends wait by carrying him, pero harap-harap. Say na-appreciate kita in baby-like voice with matching squinty eyes.
Ito, example ha. Appreciate kita!
Give your partner a back hug as a friend. Amoy mo leg ng tropa mo and describe to us kung anong amoy.
Haha! Pakitutok ang mga mata sa screen at ang mga tenga sa pakikinig kasi may pag-uusapan kami mga kwentong na baka sakaling may pakialam kayo! Here with me today is the one and only, the biggest couple of the 2024, the bricks and the chan, the bricks chan!
Uy, pero pinaghirapan ha. Hindi halatang Manila paper.
Bakit patulis yung kanya?
Wait, pero first things first. First time ni Christian dito sa aking podcast, kaya thank you, Christian. Alam ko pagod na pagod ka na kasi 12 a.m.
Hindi kasi mahal na mahal kita.
Yung totoo mag-reply ka din
Oo naman, nag-reply naman ako.
Ay, nako, guys, for sure, isusumbat na naman ako nito ni Christian sa live ng bonggang-bongga
Sabihin ko sa
after
inyo.
net.